The Nitto Trail Grappler Mud Terrain Light Truck Tire is available at TireSouth. The Trail Grappler MT blends performance and comfort to create an off-road tire that is both aggressive and quiet. Nitto has produced an off-road tire that is 34% quieter at street speeds and 36% quieter at highway speeds. The 3-ply sidewall with a high turn-up construction acts as an extra layer of reinforcement to increase puncture resistance. On the tread surface, the deep center sipes decrease hydroplaning and increase traction in wet conditions. The balanced void ratio efficiently removes mud and dirt from the tread, while the blocks provide additional biting edges that command lateral stability and enhance forward traction off-road. This tire is perfect for the driver who likes to have fun off-road, but also has to hit the streets. You can order this tire online at TireSouth.com or visit any one of our TireSouth locations.